Try ko rin. Taas na mo? Mga na-expensive. Ba't daw siya ko?
Okay, may we request the people at the back, please occupy the seats in front. Please. Please. One more time, please occupy the seats in front. We provided chairs for you because we do not want to see people standing. Please, I said, occupy.